What's up, guys? The G600H here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make an explosion in a plastic bag. So, without further ado, let's get to this video. What you'll be needing for this project is any kind of vinegar, plastic bag, baking soda, and a sheet of paper towel. So, first what you want to do is you want to take your baking soda and pour a little on your paper towel, like a little mountain like that. Yeah. And then set that aside for a bit. Then you want to take your plastic bag and your vinegar. Pour some in there. Actually, I'll just use the rest of this. Set that aside. Now, well, set the vinegar bottle aside. And then now you got this and this. Now, if you haven't folded your baking soda on your paper towel, then what you want to do is you want to add dye. I'm not going to for some odd reason, but yeah, so you might want to add dye on there or something like that. But anyways, after that you can fold it any way you want. You can just fold it. Now that it's folded and you got everything you need, let's bring this thing over here. Now, you want to take your bag full of vinegar and your baking soda, put it in there, then close the bag quickly, shake it up, then observe. Whoa. Okay. Well, that's all I have for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you did like this video, then make sure to hit that big thumbs up. However, I am new to YouTube. This is my very first video, so make sure to hit the subscribe button. And if you do subscribe, make sure to hit the notifications bell so that you're notified when I make new videos. Thank you for watching this awesome video, and have a great day.